how to go from this point in ArcGIS containing no coordinates and get X and Y coordinates for those points as an Excel file. This is what we are going to learn in this tutorial. Welcome to GeoCarto, a channel dedicated to GIS, cartography and geoscience. So subscribe if you want to get more tutorials. In this fast tutorial we are going to learn how to get the coordinates of any point in ArcGIS. Imagine, for example, you have a shapefile with multiple points, but you don't have coordinates of those points. So we'll try to get X and Y coordinates for each point. To do this in ArcGIS, we're going to start by opening the attribute table. Then we will create new fields. We'll start by the X field and we will set it to short integer and we will set it to 10 as a precision. Then click OK. We will then add another field, which is the Y field. The same thing, short integer with a precision of 10. And click OK. So now we have those two fields. So now we will ask ArcGIS to calculate the X coordinate and Y coordinate for each point. To do this, go to your shapefile and then click on Open Attribute Table. Go to the X coordinate column that we have just created. Right click on it and click on Calculate Geometry. Click on Yes and then specify in this menu the X coordinate of points. We will let other parameters to default and we will click OK. Then yes. So yeah, here we go. We got our X coordinates. For the Y coordinate, we'll do the same thing. Go to the Y column, click on it and right click, then click on Calculate Geometry, then yes, and here in this tab we will choose the Y coordinate of points. We will let the two other parameters to default, then we will click on OK, then yes. There we go, we got the Y coordinates. So this is the easiest way to get X coordinate and Y coordinate of any point in ArcGIS in case we don't have those coordinates. So after getting our X and Y coordinates, now we will discover how to save those coordinates into Excel, for example. So to do this, click on the search button and look for Excel. We will use this tool, Table to Excel. Click on it, and for the input table we'll use our shapefile. Click on it and drag it into the tool, and there you can specify where you want to save your output Excel file. Click on Save and then click OK. So as you can see, our Excel was created. So here we go, we got our result. This is the Excel that we got from the conversion from a shapefile into Excel file containing our coordinates using the Tab to Excel tool in ArcGIS. So we got the attribute table of our shapefile in an Excel format. That's it for this tutorial. If you got some value from this video, please like it and subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.